When it comes to portable monitors, customers agree. The ARZOPA Portable Monitor is a must-have. The Cart is Full calls it a game changer for mobile professionals, praising how easy it is to carry between conference rooms. The single USB-C connection means one cable handles both power and display, making setup seamless and frustration-free. CB highlights its compact design and excellent clarity, saying it slips into a backpack, carry-on, or even a large purse without adding bulk. Ashley G loves how it makes working from home effortless, with a clear screen for spreadsheets and presentations. Gamers are impressed too. Rad Astronaut used it with a PS5 and said the colors and HDR looked great, with smooth performance in games like Arkham City. While the built-in speakers aren't the loudest, the slim design and included cables make it a solid value. For professionals, Lone Star found it perfect alongside a desktop setup, noting the monitor's sleek design, kickstand, and ability to sit vertically or horizontally. Nicholas was surprised by just how thin and light it is, calling it shockingly portable and perfect for working in coffee shops. Others point out its versatility. It works with laptops, phones, and consoles. PTS 73 praised its beautiful screen and solid build, while Care Chris noted that as long as you have the right ports or adapters, it's easy to integrate into any setup. International reviewers echoed the same feedback. In Japan, one customer said the ARZOPA drew amazement when presenting in cafes, while another in the UAE turned their Samsung phone into a full desktop PC using DeX mode. Across hundreds of reviews, the themes are consistent: lightweight design, crisp display, easy plug-and-play setup, and unbeatable portability. Whether you're a business traveler, student, or gamer, customers say this monitor delivers performance and convenience far beyond its price point. If you're looking for a portable, high-quality second screen that adapts to your lifestyle, reviewers worldwide agree the ARZOPA Portable Monitor is worth every penny.